humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hey guys, it is Maddie and welcome back to another vlog. Happy Easter, everyone. I hope you guys all had a good Easter. But right now, we are headed to Perry's Island. Polly's Island. It's a little bit of a car ride, but we also have family there, and yeah, we're gonna be checking into the third hotel this week. So yeah, and this is what I mean why this room is bad. We're literally staring at other people, and we get a little teeny tiny view of the beach. But they were sold out here since it was kind of last minute. So yeah, now we're headed to another hotel. I got Krispy Kreme earlier, but I'm probably gonna get Starbucks, so there's a Starbucks in this hotel. So guys, we made it to our new hotel room, and you can honestly not beat this view. We finally got our ocean view that we wanted. So here's an overview. Yeah, it's pretty much it besides the bathroom. But we're on the highest floor because I don't know, I like being up high. But we're going to my aunt's house because I do have an aunt that lives down here. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed into my Easter outfit because I'm wearing this shirt and sweatpants, and that is not an Easter outfit. I was just cold, so I just put this on for now. But yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna vlog at my aunt's house because that's a little weird. But I'll still bring my camera just in case I decide to. Hey guys, it is Maddie and welcome back to day 4, day 5. I don't even remember. I added yesterday's vlog and today's vlog in one vlog because I didn't really film much yesterday. But I just got some Dunkin' Donuts, and today I think we're actually planning on going to the beach. And the reason being of me not filming much yesterday was because my cousin from Louisiana actually came to surprise me, so I thought it would be a little weird if I was filming. But yeah, my dad might extend a stay, like I think at least 2 days. So yeah, and that's really because when the last couple of days we were here, it's like cold, and today and the days after it's gonna be like warm. And one of the points of me wanting to come here was to get a tan because in New Jersey it's not very easy to get tans. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now we're heading back to the hotel because I still have to get dressed.